Oh, that was it.
Oh my God!
Main event of Matrix Fight Night 5. Sandeep Dahiya versus Pawan Maan. This is a rematch, Rahul. Last time these guys fought, Pawan thought he won. But he forgot that he's actually done a few fouls in the match, which led to his points being deducted, and the match was declared a draw. A lot of people, Rahul, thought that was a controversial decision. And now, this is going to be a decider.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Sandeep Dahiya!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of Matrix 5 Fight Night live from Dubai, Palacio Versace. We've got Sandeep Dahiya in the blue corner wearing white shorts. Been a very successful fighter. However, at the light heavyweight division, that was considered to be controversial by many.
These guys are here to decide, to settle things.
Honestly, I'm sure they wouldn't want to pester the judges this time. A lot of cheering for Sandeep Dahiya.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Pawan Maan!
Another great fighter, Rahul. Pawan is from Delhi, and interestingly, Pawan also has a boxing background. You know what, Rahul? Both these guys, back in the day, used to actually be sparring partners in boxing. So they've been fighting each other for a long time. In the beginning, they used to fight boxing, and now they're fighting MMA. Pawan is dangerous. Pawan has knockout power.
Manan, Pawan is here for a payback, and I'm sure he's going to put up a show for all the fight fans in the country.
Here, this is the last fight of the night. This is going to be nothing less than legendary.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for the main event of the evening. 3 5-minute rounds in the welterweight division. Are you ready? And now, first we introduce the blue corner. Standing at 182 centimeters and weighing in at 76.2 kilograms. Hailing from Delhi, put your hands together for Sandeep Dahiya! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He stands at 171 centimeters. Hailing from Delhi, give it up for Pawan Maan!
The main event is about to start in a few seconds. संदीप दहिया को जो लोग पहले से देखते आ रहे हैं, उनको याद होगा कि कैसे एकदम बीस्ट की तरह उन्होंने अपने अपोनेंट्स को प्रीवियस फाइट्स में खत्म किया है, और पवन मान भी कोई कम नहीं है. राउंड 1 has started.
Ladies and gentlemen, the action begins. We've got Daniel Isaac as the referee in the cage. This is a rematch. This is the decider. Whatever was left unfinished at MFN3 in December 2019, these guys are here to crack it. These guys are here to steal it from each other.
और राहुल, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, ये लोग जजेस तक नहीं जाने देंगे इस डिसीजन को. ये डिसीजन एक TKO से या सबमिशन से या जैसे भी खत्म होगा, बट ये जजेस तक नहीं जाएगा.
Sandeep has Pawan in his guard, and maybe he's trying to lock in a kick. He doesn't have it still. All he's going to get is tired arms.
बिल्कुल राहुल, संदीप के कॉर्नर भी यही बोल रहे हैं कि वहां से गिलोटिन नहीं लगेगा.
Manan, I've been a fan of Sandeep Dahiya when he was a light heavyweight guy. He had continuous knockouts in 2018. The guy is actually one of the best light heavyweight guys in the country. On the other hand, Pawan Maan is actually a veteran. He's been competing since 2012 and was India's first two-division.
Both of these fighters are veterans. Indian MMA scene के जाने-माने फाइटर हैं ये. बच्चा इनका नाम जानता है.
Manan, I would say all three of them in the cage are veterans. Both the athletes have been fighting since 20 got the father of Indian MMA, Daniel Isaac.
Oh, absolutely. Daniel is a legend.
Easy, easy. Sandeep, easy.
Daniel is a legend. He's known as the father of
खड़े हो,
Indian
खड़े हो.
MMA.
डाल, डाल.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पोजीशन आ रही है राहुल ग्राउंड पे.
Exactly what happened at MFN3.
Wow.
Both the guys were in
Similar.
the same position.
Similar position.
Pawan got a
Crazy.
foul here.
This is crazy, Rahul. It feels like we've time traveled.
Honestly, I've never seen Sandeep Daya working on leg locks. If he gets it, it's going to be amazing.
घुमा, बस मिला घुमा.
संदीप पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं उस लेग लॉक को लेने की, बट मेरे हिसाब से अभी पूरी तरह आया नहीं है उनके हाथ.
And I don't know what Pawan is doing. I think what Pawan should be doing is that he should get up and start boxing on his feet.
Rahul, I think he might just get that leg lock because Pawan is not effectively defending it. He's just trying to throw some strikes out of nowhere, which
I think
doesn't make sense to me.
I think this is absolutely new for Pawan, though he's trained in Jiu-Jitsu, but he's not very well versed with Jiu-Jitsu, and that's why I've been saying. learn Jiu-Jitsu.
Another advertisement of Jiu-Jitsu, ladies and gentlemen, from the one and only Rahul Chabra. Thank you.
Hashtag BJJ Live, BJJ
Sandeep,
Motivation.
did you see that?
I saw
Sandeep
that.
threw kicks on Pawan. This
I
was
saw
the
that.
same foul that had happened last time.
हाथ अंदर. हाथ
Well, again,
अंदर.
both the fighters in the same
हाथ
position.
अंदर.
Ah, Pawan takes him down, gets stuck in his guard, got the guillotine.
संदीप, पैर से धक्का दे, ऊपर खींच. पैर से
I think
धक्का
this
दे.
time he has a better grip on Pawan's neck.
Honestly, when Sandeep was fighting in the light heavyweight division, I never saw any of the ground game. Now that he's running his camp at Matrix Fight Gym in Matrix Gym in Bombay,
Yeah.
I think he's working on his jiu-jitsu.
Absolutely, it's clear.
Pawan on side
We can
control.
clearly see this, Rahul, that
Pawan
Sandeep
on
has improved
side
his jiu-jitsu a lot.
Yes. I think from here he needs to transition, get on the mount and start pounding.
Sandeep, I think, is going to pull guard from here.
Well, no.
Pawan's doing a good job of holding on to his position so far.
Pawan is top heavy right now. He's got the side control. Whoa!
Hard shots, man. Boy, remember, Rahul,
heavy
both these
leather.
guys are boxers.
Some heavy leather from Pawan.
नी अंदर डाल.
Well, I wouldn't. I don't know what Pawan is trying to do, but he's got the mount. I think
This could be a
game over.
bad position for Sandeep.
This is actually a bad position for Sandeep, and if Pawan can lock this position, I think this is game over.
Hard shot there. Man, Pawan's hands are made of stone. If he gets 2-3 shots in from this position, that'll be it. Wow, vicious elbow.
Excellent
punch.
power at display. I think both these guys have vulgar power in their hands.
For sure, that's why it's so important right now for Sandeep to be careful. If he hits too many of those shots from this position, it'll be game over. We have only 15 seconds left on the clock, Rahul.
An excellent round between both these fighters at the main event of Matrix Fight Night 5.
Man, those elbows Pawan is mixing in between
Vicious,
are crazy.
vulgar.
And the round comes to an end.
What an excellent round for both these fighters in the main event of MFN 5.
Fight, it's been Pawan mainly landing shots.
But let's see, round 2 begins. This is the main event of Matrix Fight Night 5, live from Palazzo Versace, in style.
And hats off to the Dubai Sports Council for supporting this event, for making sure everything happens the way it's supposed to. A lot of mighty forces have come together to put this fight night together. The Shroff family, the Global Association,
Well, of course, yes, you know.
and the Dubai Sports Council.
Yes, indeed, much kudos to everyone because the entire sporting industry is hit across the globe owing to COVID pandemic, and we have an absolute treat for all the MMA fans in
That's
the
what being
country.
a fighter is about, Rahul. No matter what happens, you still do what you gotta do. And that was a vicious leg kick by Sandeep.
We've got close to 4 more minutes in the second round. Well, this is what I like about Pawan. You know, he makes the opponent run as if it's a marathon. We saw it happening. We saw it happening against Jason. We saw it happening at MFN3 against Sandeep.
It's his signature move. He runs after you with
I
those
think his punches have that
punches.
brute force, and that's why people start running. Oh, that was a
That
vicious,
was loud. We heard it all the
nasty
way here in the
elbow
commentary box.
that went like a bazooka.
And but Pawan seems to be all right. It doesn't seem to have shaken him.
These guys have been dedicated combat sports athletes, dedicated their life to boxing
And Pawan
initially,
is, yeah, exactly.
and then MMA. Wow, what a
He's
slip!
still
Look
putting
at
the
that!
pressure.
Look
Pawan
at
is still
that!
putting the pressure on Sandeep even after eating that vicious elbow. And he hits a knee right there. But he's still moving forward.
Wow! Look at the
Man,
power!
Sandeep is coming up.
Oh my
Sandeep is
goodness!
hurt.
I think
Sandeep
Sandeep
is
is down. I don't think so. He's
That
hurt.
is insane. Sandeep is hurt, bro. This fight could end now.
I think
This is going to be over. Referee Daniel Isaac is going to stop this any second
It's
now.
over. I think the fight is over.
Referee Daniel Isaac is paying close attention. He's asking Sandeep if he's okay or not. A very, very experienced referee in the cage right now.
Well, Sandeep is still defending himself. I think the moment he stops defending, that's when the fight is over. These guys are not amateurs, they're veteran fighters.
Absolutely, and that
I
was
don't know
such
why,
fantastic refereeing, Rahul.
Pawan stopped throwing those vicious, vulgar punches.
Man,
He
you
should
get
continue.
tired. How many can you throw? How many of those can you throw? You
We're
get
talking
tired.
about veterans here. This is the main event. These guys should put up a show.
But
We're on
still,
the
a
fight
gun
man.
has a limited amount of ammunition, you know. But hats off to Daniel's refereeing, bro.
Excellent, excellent. And that's the reason he's a pioneer of the sport in the country.
I mean, he could see that Sandeep is okay, even though we were shouting that it's over, but he could see Sandeep is okay and he's still defending.
We've got less than 2 minutes in round 2. Both the guys resting in a position.
What a huge round for Pawan.
Well, this is Matrix Fight Night 5, but this is not it. We are ending the year in fashion from Palazzo Versace in Dubai. And we've got an exciting calendar lined up for 2021. We're coming back in Dubai, then we go to Moscow, London, and then end the year in Ludhiana, Punjab.
Absolutely, Rahul. It's going to be one hell of a year. Absolutely, 2021 is going to be one hell of a year. And Pawan just got off. He just left Sandeep and he got off.
Sandeep is tired. I think Sandeep is gassed out.
I think Pawan
He
wants to
doesn't
finish
have
it.
any more metal left in him. Pawan just trying to close distance, throwing in those vicious punches. That's the
Pawan is
power of
looking for the
Pawan's
knockout.
punches.
यहाँ पे पवन फाइट को खत्म करना चाह रहे हैं, वो एक नॉकआउट पंच ढूंढ रहे हैं, clearly.
We've got 50 more seconds in round 2. Let's see if Pawan can pull a finisher here, a knockout. For sure, both these guys are tired.
Man, Sandeep looks completely gassed.
What I would want Pawan to do is throw in a left and an uppercut. Wow, look at the way he's closing distance and throwing those body shots.
Yeah, Rahul, I think Pawan is doing a great job of landing some big punches.
Well, this is the decider, and I'm sure before the judges decide, Pawan is going to decide this bout.
Sandeep threw some shots there. This is what he needs to do more of. We haven't seen him let his hands go for shots.
Look at the way Pawan was barging in, despite the fact Sandeep was throwing in some vicious kicks.
Wow.
Well, the last time it was at MFN3 in December last year.
Here we go, guys. Round 3.
Last and final round of the main event for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Pawan Maan in black shorts and we've got Sandeep Dahiya in white shorts. Both of them have been veterans of the sport. Referee in the cage is Mr. Daniel Isaac. This is the last and the final round. I just hope, I just wish, and I'm praying this should not go to judges once again.
I think if Pawan lands some more of those heavy shots that he landed in the last round, this is going to be over.
Look at the way Pawan closes distance, barges in. This gentleman doesn't walk in, he just jumps in. And he's trying to put Sandeep, probably he'll try to put Sandeep against the cage and start landing some body shots.
Not only does he jump in, Rahul, he can eat your shots on the way in and still keep going.
Oh, look at the way he's throwing body shots. I'm sure he's targeting.
That was a nice leg kick from Sandeep.
Wasn't impactful at all. Oh, look at the slip. No, that was
Sandeep
the
landed
slip.
some good shots, but Pawan just came right back with his own attacks.
Ladies and
Oh
gentlemen,
my God,
this
that
is some
right
heavy
hand was
exchange of
loud.
leather.
पंच खोल लो पंच खोल
That right hand rocked Sandeep.
Manan, look at Pawan's stance. It's more aggressive, more offensive than defensive. That means he's going for the kill. Look at the slip. Look at the slip.
You know, Rahul, the thing about this weight category is one big shot and it could be good night. Smooth.
Honestly,
Smooth.
Honestly, Manan, let me tell you, there is only one Indian guy who's defeated Sandeep Dahiya so far. His name is Amit Thapa.
Pawan continuing to put the pressure on Sandeep.
Do you think Sandeep can steal it from Pawan here?
Anything's possible, man. Like I said, in this weight category, one big hit and it could be good night. You could have all the momentum, you could have all the points, but if you eat a gigantic hit from a beast like Sandeep, it could be good night.
Manan, what if it's a draw once again? Whoa!
Oh my God!
Well, honestly, Pawan has a lot of power in his punches.
Sandeep fell flat. Sandeep went flying, man.
We've got just more than 2 minutes in round 3. Let's see if these guys can pull up a decision, a submission or a knockout from here. I just don't want it to go to the judges once again.
राहुल, अगर ये फाइट जजेस को जाती भी है, तो मेरे ख्याल हमें क्लियरली पता है कि विनर कौन है.
आपके हिसाब से कौन है?
Pawan Man is the winner of the fight, Rahul. No doubt about it.
Great. Honestly, Pawan is an excellent fighter, but off the cage, he is such an excellent human being. This morning I saw him coaching, mentoring all these amateur fighters and sharing his experience with them.
राहुल, अभी देखो ये सिचुएशन थोड़ी सी इंटेंस हो रही है. पवन का कॉर्नर बोल रहा है 10 सेकंड रह गए, बट ऐसा है नहीं. क्लॉक में अभी 1 मिनट से भी ज्यादा पड़ा है. I think Pawan is looking for a submission. I can't quite see.
I can't quite see either. Is he trying to lock in? No, I don't think so. He's just trying to be top heavy and probably trying to get on the mount. Okay, referee stops the fight. There's no action happening. They both will be standing in the middle of the cage.
Okay, and you know what, Rahul? I think that's bad news for Sandeep that they're both standing again.
Look at the way Pawan Man is ducking those punches.
I have a feeling there's going to come one big shot from Pawan Man. And it's going to be lights out.
Oh, that was nasty. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the last 30 seconds of the final round for the main event of the evening. This is Matrix Fight Night 5. And we've got Pawan Man taking on Sandeep Dahiya in the decider rematch. Less than 20 seconds.
20 seconds left. Pawan can smell victory. He's backing off now. This is the first time in the fight he's moving away from Sandeep because he knows he's won. He doesn't want to take any chances anymore. He doesn't want to exchange any punches anymore. Last 10 seconds left. The main event of Matrix Fight Night 5 is coming to an end, and what a fight it's been. What a fight, Rahul.
Sandeep's got the knockout power. We saw it against Abhishek Rana. Well, that was excellent. That was excellent.
The round ends.
So we've got Pawan Man in the decider rematch.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 27-30, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Pawan!
What a victory, Manan!
इसको कहते हैं पवन बाजी